Today, we are excited to introduce our guest, Michael Theo.
Hi, Molly. I have a confession to make. I'm not really much of a gardener.
That's okay, Michael. I have a special challenge for you today. You have 1 minute to find in your garden something spiky, something that smells good, something purple, something native, and somewhere where you can hide.
Molly, I am ready to take on the challenge.
Okay, you have just a minute. Your time starts now.
Yep, this is definitely a spiky plant. I wouldn't recommend touching one of these, so don't try this at home, kids. The best flowers, I believe, are the ones that smell great. Now to find something purple. Regarding this plant, the flowers on this one are the most vibrant of purple that I've ever seen in my life. It's quite attractive. Now, to find something native. This must be the native plant that I'm meant to be looking for. Looks really nice, doesn't it, kids? Now, to find a place to hide.
Well, it seems we've lost Michael. But he did well. Maybe too well. Well done, Michael. You successfully completed your challenge.